What's up, guys? Terrence here. Today we're gonna get the scale, gonna dig it out, guys. We're gonna weigh Novastrosity. I'm gonna weigh both Camaros, guys, and we're gonna weigh the Mustang too, but we're gonna weigh the Nova. That's the main focus today. We're curious to see what it weighs. Me and my brother got a bet, and I'm curious to see what's gonna happen, guys. I'm curious to see what this vehicle weighs. Okay, guys, it's way back here, up there. That's it, guys, right there. Like I said, I bought it a few years ago. I never got a chance to use it. Hopefully the instructions, everything's in the box. It's a simple setup though, guys. Just gotta get it down from there. Okay, guys, I just got it out the pole barn. We're gonna put the trunk on and the hood and clean it off. And let's get some weight. Okay, guys, everything is in place. Got the hood on, got the trunk on. We're about to see, guys, what this thing weighs. Oh man, it got batteries in it, guys. I wonder if they some good or not. They're new, but I wonder if they some good. We're gonna see, guys. We're gonna see. I wonder if they some good. So let's pull out each one of the scales. Should be a simple setup. They're color coded for how they mount inside of. You can't screw it up. So, man, I don't even got the instructions. I gotta find the instructions, guys. I don't know where the instructions at. I thought they'll be in here. USB to the log data. So, let's get everything set up. Let me try to find the instructions, guys. I may be in trouble. All right, guys. I cannot find the instructions. It is what it is. I've got quite a few scales, so shouldn't be that hard to figure out. Just know this is a light button. This is a tare. Got to figure out what this one's for. But the colors are there, man. It's just pretty simple setup. The colors are there, guys. The colors are there. Oh, I think this is for the switching from kilograms to pounds. That's what this is for, if I'm not mistaken. We'll find out. So left front, colors are there. So we got to put each scale by the wheels, and then I'll jack the car up and set it on there. So they already marked, guys. It don't get no simpler than this. Let's take 4 batteries. And this device, I see why they're expensive, because like this is made out of, although it take 4 AA batteries, this is made out of great quality, guys. This is great quality here. This is not no cheap setup whatsoever. So I like the large. Looks like a 3.5 inch or maybe 4-inch display. Pretty big. It's probably about a 4-inch display, guys. Easy. But real nice design. So let's hook everything up, guys. Set all the scales in their position, and we're gonna go from there. Another thing I like, guys, is the handles. How you can just pull it up out the suitcase. The suitcase is really nice as well. We're gonna talk about that a little bit more before we close the video out. But yeah, just grab the handle and pull it out. Really nice. So I'm assuming it sits the long way. This is the left front. So this is the driver's side front. Okay, guys, there's 2 sides to it. I'm assuming the yellow dots face up. Look like it can work either way. But I'm guessing the yellow dots mean face up. The numbers are facing up. This should be at the bottom. I wouldn't want this at the top. So we're gonna see. So let me set up everything and I'll be back. Okay, guys, whenever you connecting any of the connectors to the scale, there's a dimple here. You want to face this up. That's all. Make sure the dimple's facing up and it goes right in. and locks in place. So make sure the dimple is facing up. So we're connected, guys. The only thing that's I have to run one of the wires under the car to the front right side scale. The only thing, I wish the cords was a little bit longer, and I'll give you guys a precise length. So now the device is under the car in order for us to make this work. And all the cable lengths are the same thing. So this is pushing it. I'm gonna get an exact measurement on there. We can do that right now. Let me measure these cables before we jack it up. Okay, guys, I got a measuring tape there just for a gauge. It ain't accurate, but it's close. I'm gonna measure. So we're looking at about each wire to each connector is about 12 feet long. So it could have been a little bit longer. I think for most cars, probably about 14-foot cables will be perfect for this, guys. This will extend out a little bit more. I don't have to worry about weighing everything on the car. So we got all the connectors. Let's put some batteries in, then we're gonna jack it up, guys. And then we're gonna, but we can do that now. Let's install some batteries now. Okay, let's turn it on and we're gonna jack the car up, guys. Shows battery life, which is good. So the batteries are okay. Guess we got the weights for each side, which is awesome there. Each scale has their own weight calculator. So let's jack up, guys, and see what we got. Okay, guys, we're on there. We're on there, guys. Here we go. Novastrosity weighs 2,800 pounds, guys. 2,858, which is incredible. Wow. So the front combined weight is, see if it lights up. Oh, it lights up. That's cool. That's cool, guys. I like this. This is really nice, guys. So the front combined weight, a little over 1,500 pounds. In the rear is 1,334, something like that, 1,340. But this scale is really nice. If you want to go to kilograms, guys, let's press this and see kilograms for all the people that goes by the metric system. So here's the kilograms. Man, this scale is really, really nice, guys. The backlit LCD. So I didn't need the light on up here, guys. Let me turn the light off. The backlit LED light is really nice for this machine. I'm really impressed with this tool, guys. Proform has outdone themselves with this device, guys. Look at how accurate it is as far as weighing this vehicle. The front, let's see the front. Got the front scales on there. They're pretty even on both sides. So So this is the full weight of the car. Okay guys, I'm gonna put everything away now. We're balancing out around this. Just let it set for about 5 more minutes. I'm gonna get in the car, guys. I won't be able to see the weight until I look at the scale, but I'm gonna get in it and I'm gonna see what it maxes out at. Okay guys, I'm getting in the car. Let's see. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. I'll take a quick look at the case. That's really nice. It's built like a travel case, guys, like travel luggage. I think that's amazing how they did that. I really like the case design, but as far as this, guys, I'll rate this tool a 9, and I'll tell you why I won't give it a 10 is because these could have just been a little bit longer, maybe 14 feet instead of 12 feet. Would have been great, or even 16 feet of cable length would just be perfect. But other than that, this thing is amazing. I really like this, guys. The quality is, they outdone themselves with the quality on this thing, and you pay for what you get. So let's put this in the case, and we're gonna take a quick look at the case before I close this video out. Okay, I just put it down in there like that, guys. And I'm gonna close this up. To the next use, has wheels at the bottom, really long handle, you just can go with it. Really nice, guys. Like I said, it's built like travel luggage. Really like the design on it. Sturdy, rugged material, guys. It's like a shell more than a case. Got these plastic legs so it can lay flat on the surface opposed to damaging the case itself. Really like this. Like I said, it's built like travel luggage. Push button here, push down. Raise up, you got a couple steps. Nice. Handle in case you want to carry it long way. Wheels at the bottom. Just an overall great design for this case, guys. Looks fancy. Really nice. I like the chrome along the edges of it and the handle. But just an overall great piece of equipment, guys. I'm amazed at how much the car weighs, guys. I think that's great. This car is so amazingly fabricated, so well done, guys. It's great to see where the weight is on this thing. Okay, guys, we're gonna wrap this video up. Hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like more content regarding the Nova and all the other stuff I got uploaded on the channel, please subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit that notification bell so you guys be notified when I upload new content. The next video with the Nova will be me taking it out for the first drive in many years. This thing hasn't been out on the road in years. So we're gonna get it out on the road, guys, just for a test drive, and we'll be at the track in a few weeks. So very excited about that. But subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you guys be notified when I upload new content. Terrence, and I'm out.